like you anyway. Yeah, I like you.
Welcome back on Gimme Chocolate, where I'm now going to pit a magnificently talented restaurateur, A.D. Singh, against a spectacularly skilled musician, Ranjit Barot. You both are going to be a part of the chocolate face-off.
On guard, bud.
And you're going to create a very special dessert, Nirvana by chocolate. So shall we take a look at the recipe? To make Nirvana by chocolate, we need ingredients for sponge cake: unsweetened cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, castor sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder, warm water, vegetable oil, baking soda, milk, egg. Ingredients for chocolate ganache: Belgian chocolate chips, fresh cream, butter. Ingredients for plating: edible gold metallic color, edible white chocolate discs, crushed walnuts, choco wafer sticks. So let's get started. We have some milk, butter, oil, vanilla essence, and just one egg. Set it aside. Sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Yes, it's ready. Let's get started and make the chocolate ganache. Fresh cream, butter. Let's add the chocolate. "25 minutes are up. Let's go bring the chocolate sponge out. We have 1 hour to create this magic on a plate.
Got it.
So you've been looking at the difference in ingredients because you have chocolate chips.
Yes.
And Ranjit has a ready-made ganache
That's right.
because A.D. did not spill the beans in how the cookie crumbles.
Okay.
And your time starts right now.
Go first.
Put all the wet ingredients into a bowl. Look of concentration on A.D.'s face. The egg had to be cracked in the wet ingredients. Maya and Sabina are really going to enjoy that part.
Maya wishes I spent more time in the kitchen.
Okay, I think that's whisked well.
Okay, now we got the dry stuff, yes?
Here we go.
And we got to fold it over.
You've mixed your wet ingredients, the dry ingredients. Shall we start making the ganache?
Let me just put it into heat and then get onto the ganache.
So you've thought this through, just as the cards predicted. Put it in stages and then keep blending so we don't have lumps.
That's right.
Never done this in my life.
Yes, I know this. I know this.
Should I just pour it, Zeba?
Yes, you can pour it. Well done, A.D. Let's take it to the oven. A.D., you have a penalty to take care of.
Yes, I'm moving right
You need
on
to
it.
get started on the chocolate ganache.
Yes.
Ranjit,
Yes.
are you going to put your ganache into the
Into the
piping
piping bag. I got it.
Let's do it. Yes, it's heating up. Let's shut it.
It's fun to make it.
It's
you know.
absolutely therapeutic. That's what food and music does to
It
you.
is. It is. It's true.
I think it's done.
Let's start piping. 25 minutes are up. Your chocolate sponge is ready.
Yeah.
Let's go get it.
Okay.
Super sweet. Oh, yum. That's looking great.
Nice.
Much better than Ranjit's, if you ask me.
Look at the character in
More
there.
like a crack, I see.
Look at that, man.
Adi, what does this signify to you?
Sand on a
crushed-
beach. It's perfect. Drumsticks in your honor, Ranjit. There we go. Just to give the feeling of a bit of a sea.
I am amazed at both of you boys because you're really into the groove in the kitchen.
Having a lot of fun doing this.
Yeah.
There we go.
It looks beautiful.
Okay, here we go. Number 2.
Nice.
That's mine. Maybe some seashells.
Oh, the fish. I forgot the fish.
The species you have in the sea.
I wanted to get like a drizzle, but unfortunately,
Eddie, is that the island?
Yeah, I think let's go with that.
there you go.
That's our Nirvana by chocolate
I like
for you,
it. I
Zeba.
like it. It's going to be very hard for me to judge.
Yep. Please, sweetheart, come on.
I feel you've been telling me lies that you don't cook. I am amazed with the magic you've worked with chocolate.
I think all my chefs are now worried now. So has learned to do something.
Ranjit? Wow. I see there is a story that you have tried to tell.
Yeah, like a drum head. We play drums, like a tabla, but the center is black.
So I love the story, Ranjit.
Nice story.
Let's have a bite.
Please. Go for it.
It's incomplete without a bite
Please.
of this lovely drumstick. Amazing job. Well done.
Thank you. With much supervision by you, I must say.
You know, the chocolate face-off is about being competitive and being a winner. Today, you've put me in a tight spot because I loved both your presentations. So both of you are my winners tonight.
Oh,
Okay, we'll take that.
we'll take that.
Eddie,
Thank you so
This
much.
is for you.
Super.
Oh, look at that.
Ranjit,
Thank
both
you,
of
Zeba.
you are winners tonight.
Oh, thank you.
But before we leave,
Yes.
you have to leave your memory and your handprint behind for us
Ah,
on our wall.
With pleasure.
okay. There we go. Wanted.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.